we're working on, and there's, this just came out, this whole BIM integration, but we're working on some ability to change visibility dynamically within the model to make this even more useful for everybody on the project team. So for example here, hey, turn off structural columns, or I don't have any mechanical, electrical, but you would see the different trades by object types within the model. So I could go through and say, hey, make my walls transparent, and I want to see what's behind them in the BIM model. Or highlight the mechanical ducts red. And again, dynamically do that while you're looking at this model.
Yeah, to me, Paul, this is amazing. When Scott first showed this to me when Scott showed this to me last week, really the only words that came to mind, was magic. That the ability to compare time frames, the ability to compare to BIM model, just to me seemed amazing. Again, I want to ask the question I asked earlier is, why does this matter? It looks fantastic as a layperson. I go, wow, look at that. I can see this is where the work is today. This is what was originally envisioned. The question is, why is this important to any of the trades, architects, engineers, client, owner, leaser?
Well, I mean, from the construction process, it's, again, I wish I had a little bit better BIM model example here, but if I had the BIM model with electrical, structural, mechanical, you're going to be able to potentially highlight or spot problems before they occur. So the mechanical ducting, that's just in the wrong place. They installed it incorrectly, just by visual inspection. That's one of the biggest advantages, to be able to visually see, again, what was designed versus what was built, and catch those problems before they occur. Anytime you can catch those problems earlier on, you're saving money on the project.